Hey guys! If you are looking for best POE security camera system for 2023, you choice right video. Today we're going to review top 5 best POE security camera system for 2023. After spending 2 weeks research we make this list. Based on our personal preference. And based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. Also we make this list for every type for customers. So let's get started. Starting at number 5, Swann Home Security Camera System. Swann is also a premium choice of the brand on our picks that makes high-quality surveillance systems. You will be getting similarly high-grade features from the Swann POE security system. In the end, we will feature one more 4K POE security system from Swann. Similar to our last pick, it also features a set of 4 4K UHD cameras that can offer 15 FPS footage at the highest resolution. And if you set the resolution to about 2592 x 1520, you will get about 20 FPS video recordings. As this is a premium grade system, it comes with a built-in facial recognition system that also lets you add faces to the system. You will also receive alerts as soon as the face or person is detected in the footage. The built-in motion sensor technology turns on the camera lights as soon as it detects unfamiliar motion. It is a two-way system that includes speakers on the cameras that let you communicate directly through the CCTV camera. The night vision on the Swann Home security camera system is rather interesting as it offers you color footage up to 115 feet with recognizable details. Along with speakers, there are mics as well on each speaker that record audio from the scene. The Swann Home security camera system has 1 year of warranty. At number 4, Amcrest 5MP POE security camera system outdoor. If video quality is an important factor for you, take a look at the POE camera system from Amcrest. It is providing a great setup within an attractive price range. It is also paired with 4 units of 5MP dome-type CCTV cameras. But, these cameras are capable of producing video footage of resolution 2592 x 1944 pixels, which is the second best option after 4K. Also, the cameras are rated with IP67 resistance standards, which should make them much safer for outdoor installation. The set also consists of a 2 TB hard drive which is pre-installed on the 8-channel NVR. By the way, the included NVR on the Amcrest POE security camera system is capable of supporting up to 6 TB hard drive, which should make it much more viable for upgrades if you decide to add more cameras to the system. You can also upgrade the existing cameras with 8MP 4K 30fps cameras that are supported by this NVR. Each camera in this set has a microphone and offers up to 103 degrees viewing angle. The NVR supports up to 80 megabits per second bandwidth that should give you real-time monitoring of the system without failure. Also, the cameras use H.265 video codec for storage saving. Now number 3, SANNCE 1080p xPOE security camera system. If you are looking for a POE security system that does not make you spend a fortune, consider one from SANNCE. It is a highly affordable brand that offers great quality for the budget. The SANNCE security camera system is a perfect option for domestic installation or even for small offices. It has 4 CCTV cameras included and each camera is capable of providing 1080p resolution video footage. As there are only 4 cameras with comparatively lower resolution, the included 1 TB hard drive should serve you well in terms of backup. The night vision is especially impressive on this system as you get up to 100 feet of clear night vision from these cameras. The free-to-use SANNCE Vision app for smartphones is fully customizable and offers you freedom of control over your security system. Even though the system is cheap, it consists of basic features such as motion detection and night vision. The motion detection system alerts you over email or the built-in alarm on the app for a quicker action. SANNCE is also providing a 1-year warranty on this set. Now our second choice is Hiseeu 5MP POE security camera system. As 4-set CCTV camera systems are highly popular for domestic applications, we are bringing a decent option from Hiseeu for the same. These are high-quality cameras paired with advanced recording technology. Hiseeu POE security camera system offers you 4 bullet-type cameras with H.265 plus video recording compatibility. Thus, they are capable of saving up to 80% space on the included 1 TB hard drive compared to the H.264 cameras. These CCTV cameras also transmit audio, which is also carried over the single cable that is transmitting power and video signal. Hiseeu has a dedicated mobile application for those who wish remote access to their system. The available video resolution on the Hiseeu POE security camera system is about 2560 by 1920 pixels and supports automatic face detection up to 20 feet with ease. There are 60 feet of Ethernet cable included with the 8-channel NVR unit, which will definitely come in hand at the time of installation. You will be able to record up to 30 days of footage on the hard drive before needing to rewrite it. The Hiseeu POE security camera system has a 1-year warranty period. And our last product is REOLINK 8CH5MP Home Security Camera System. REOLINK designs almost all types of surveillance cameras and systems. Thus, we are including a couple of choices from this brand. The REOLINK Home Security Camera System includes 4 CCTV cameras paired with an 8-channel NVR. Thus, you get 4 high-quality cameras in the package and room for upgrading to an 8-camera system later on. Each of these cameras is powered with a 5MP lens and provides video footage of 2560 by 1920 resolution, which is about 2 times better than 1080p video. REOLINK also includes 18 infrared LEDs that you can attach alongside the cameras and get up to 100 feet of night vision support. The entire REOLINK home security camera system is basically a plug-and-play type system, as you can simply connect the cameras to the NVR and the NVR to your router at the time of installation. They also include a 2 TB hard drive, which will let you keep track of all activities for a long time. The cameras come with built-in motion detection systems that you can adjust based on your preference. It comes with 2 years of warranty. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.